Hello, my name is Megan, and I'm going to be explaining stresses, accents, and pronunciation. This is a short stress. A short stress is pronounced a little louder, a little punchier, with a slightly rising tone.
We use a short stress when the vowel being stressed is followed by two or more consonants, or by the letter H and a vowel.
Ata, kakwa,
Ohaha.
This is a long stress. You pronounce the long stress by emphasizing that syllable slightly louder, and you hold it a little longer with a slightly rising tone.
We use a long stress when the vowel being stressed is followed by a single consonant and a vowel, or when it's followed by a glottal mark and a vowel.
Owirla, onunda, garuare. This is a falling tone. The falling tone uses a down stress mark on the vowel followed by a colon. You pronounce this by holding that syllable longer, louder, with a falling tone.
A falling tone is used when the vowel being stressed is followed by one of these glottal or H combinations.
Ochikeda, ajadui, gazere. This is a glottal stop. We pronounce that by briefly cutting the air when we speak. Kind of like in English when we say uh-oh. You can hear the air stop between the two syllables. This is how we would write that stop using Kanyen'kéha. Ona unzera, ada arna. I hope this video has helped you on your journey to learning Kanyen'kéha. Onigiwahi.